Discover the surprising health benefits of guava fruit and guava leaves. Ready to uncover a health secret that could change your life? Imagine a natural remedy that not only tastes refreshing, but also offers a treasure trove of health benefits. In this video, we unveil the astonishing powers of guava fruit and guava leaves that you never knew existed. From boosting immunity to supporting digestion and beyond, these tropical wonders are packed with nutrients essential for your well-being. Dive into this eye-opening exploration with us and find out why guava deserves a prime spot in your daily diet. Don't miss out. Stay tuned till the end for some truly surprising revelations that will leave you amazed. Health benefits of guava fruit. Number 1. Boosting immune function. Guava is a powerhouse for enhancing immune function, thanks to its exceptionally high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient stimulates the production of white blood cells, the body's primary defenders against infections. Additionally, guava's vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from free radical damage and reducing oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system. The fruit also contains other immune-boosting vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin K, which further fortify the body's defenses. Moreover, the trace minerals such as magnesium and potassium found in guava support overall cellular function and maintain a healthy immune response. Regular consumption of guava can thus be a delicious way to bolster immune resilience and promote overall health. Number 2. Supporting digestive health. Guava is a boon for digestive health, primarily due to its high dietary fiber content. The fiber in guava helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation, making it an excellent fruit for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Additionally, the consumption of guava can aid in reducing the intensity and duration of diarrhea. Its seeds, when ingested, serve as laxatives, further helping to cleanse the intestines. Guava also possesses antimicrobial properties that can combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a balanced digestive flora. Incorporating guava into your diet can thus support digestive health and contribute to overall well-being. Number 3. Enhancing skin health and appearance. Guava is a fantastic choice for enhancing skin health and appearance, largely due to its high levels of vitamins A and C. Vitamin C, abundant in guava, plays a crucial role in collagen production, the protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. This antioxidant also helps combat skin damage caused by UV rays and pollution, reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. Vitamin A in guava aids in skin repair and maintenance, ensuring a smooth and vibrant complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants in guava protect the skin from free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Regular consumption of guava can help maintain youthful, radiant skin. Number 4. Supports heart health. Guava is a superb fruit for heart health due to its rich composition of nutrients and antioxidants. It contains high levels of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body. This reduction in blood pressure is beneficial for the heart, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, guava is a great source of soluble fiber, which helps lower bad LDL cholesterol levels without affecting the good HDL cholesterol. The antioxidants in guava, such as vitamin C and lycopene, protect the heart by preventing oxidative damage, a key factor in heart disease. Regular consumption of guava can thus significantly benefit cardiovascular health. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. Guava is an excellent addition to a weight loss diet due to its low calorie content and high nutritional value. Rich in dietary fiber, guava helps promote satiety and reduce hunger, effectively controlling overall calorie intake. This can be especially beneficial for individuals looking to manage or reduce their weight. Moreover, the fiber in guava also aids in regulating the digestive system, ensuring smooth and regular bowel movements, which is crucial for weight management. Additionally, its low glycemic index means it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making it an ideal snack for sustaining energy and staving off cravings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Surprising benefits of guava leaves. Number 6. Managing blood sugar levels. Guava leaves are gaining recognition for their ability to manage blood sugar levels, making them particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The leaves contain compounds that inhibit the absorption of two types of sugars, maltose and sucrose, helping to prevent sugar spikes after meals. Studies have shown that drinking guava leaf tea can lower blood glucose levels after eating, due to the leaves' high levels of antioxidants and flavonoids that improve insulin resistance. This natural remedy can be a supportive addition to diabetes management, offering a simple and effective way to help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Number 7. Improving heart health. Guava leaves have remarkable benefits for heart health, primarily due to their high antioxidant content, which helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in cardiovascular diseases. These leaves promote heart health by lowering blood pressure and heart rate, thanks to their hypoglycemic properties. Additionally, guava leaves aid in reducing bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while boosting good HDL cholesterol, thereby improving lipid profiles. Regular consumption of guava leaf tea can also improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of fats and cholesterol in and on the artery walls. This makes guava leaves a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Number 8. Acting as an anti-inflammatory agent. Guava leaves possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent natural remedy for reducing inflammation and pain. These leaves contain flavonoids like quercetin, which are effective in inhibiting the release of inflammatory molecules like histamine. This action can help alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis, where inflammation plays a key role. Additionally, guava leaves can be used to treat swelling and redness associated with acne due to their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. Regular use of guava leaf extracts or tea can provide relief from various inflammatory conditions, promoting overall health and comfort without the side effects associated with synthetic medications. Number 9. Enhances skin health. Guava leaves are a treasure trove for enhancing skin health, thanks to their rich content of vitamins, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties. They help combat skin infections, reduce acne by clearing the bacteria causing it, and soothe skin irritations with their anti-inflammatory qualities. The antioxidants in guava leaves also aid in fighting free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging of the skin. Regular use of guava leaf preparations can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving the skin a youthful glow. Additionally, the leaves can be used in homemade face masks to provide a toning and tightening effect, improving overall skin texture. Preparation and consumption. Incorporating guava fruit and leaves into your diet can be both delightful and beneficial. Starting with the fruit, guava can be enjoyed fresh. Simply cut it into slices and sprinkle with a pinch of salt or chili powder to enhance its natural sweetness. It's also perfect in fruit salads, smoothies, and desserts for a tropical twist. Guava juice is another refreshing option, offering a concentrated dose of its nutrients. Guava leaves, on the other hand, can be utilized to brew a therapeutic tea. Wash a few leaves thoroughly, then steep them in boiling water for about 5 minutes to extract their beneficial compounds. This tea is particularly known for its health benefits, including blood sugar management and improved digestive health. For those looking for convenience, guava supplements in the form of capsules or extracts are available. These can be an easy way to enjoy the benefits of guava, especially for managing specific health conditions like diabetes or high cholesterol. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. Potential side effects and precautions. Guava is largely beneficial, but it can cause side effects for some. High fiber content might lead to digestive discomfort such as bloating or diarrhea if consumed in excess, especially for those unaccustomed to a fiber-rich diet. People with allergies to guava or related plants should avoid it, as it could provoke reactions from mild itching to severe anaphylaxis. Additionally, guava's vitamin K concentration can interfere with blood thinners like warfarin, potentially disrupting blood clotting consistency. Diabetics should note that guava leaves lower blood sugar and might enhance the effects of diabetes medications, necessitating careful monitoring and possible dosage adjustments to prevent hypoglycemia. Expert opinions. Health experts and nutritionists frequently highlight guava as a superfruit due to its dense nutritional profile. Dr. Anna Smith, a renowned nutritionist, praises guava, stating, "Guava is exceptional not only for its high vitamin C content, surpassing even oranges, but also for its versatile health benefits ranging from improving skin health to boosting immune function." Additionally, dietitian Mark Daniels notes, "The fiber content in guava aids in digestion and can be a great addition to a weight management diet. Its low glycemic index also makes it a suitable fruit for diabetics." These insights underscore guava's status as a beneficial component of a healthy diet. In conclusion, the health benefits of guava fruit and guava leaves are both surprising and extensive, ranging from boosting your immune system and enhancing skin health to managing blood sugar levels and supporting heart health. As we've explored, this tropical fruit and its leaves are not only a delicious addition to your diet, but also a powerhouse of nutrition and healing properties. So why not give guava a try? Start incorporating guava into your meals or brewing some guava leaf tea to tap into these incredible benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on how you can improve your health naturally.